Hey guys, so I have been getting a ton of questions regarding holiday weight gain, and this is something that I struggled with for years, but I have successfully kept off 70 pounds for many, many years now. And the way that I broke the cycle of the 7 to 10 pounds that I would gain every year between October and January 1st is really simple. But first and foremost, what I do want to say is that on the special days themselves, on Thanksgiving, on Christmas, I just eat and I have fun and I have as much as I want. I do always try to make healthier versions of the things that I love, and they're all plant-based now, of course. But we make Christmas cookies and I will eat like 10 or 11 of them, and I will have rolls, but I just don't stress about it on the special day itself. I enjoy myself, and then the next day I'm done. It's back to business as usual. But what I have done over the years through the entire holiday season is to basically just clean up my favorite foods, make them plant-based, make them as oil-free, low-fat, low-calorie as possible. And then that way I get to continue to enjoy all of these delicious holiday-inspired foods for less calories, and I don't have to worry about gaining weight. Just find healthier ways to make your favorite foods. I've got tons of holiday recipes for free on my website. The link is in my bio. But eat well, love your body, and enjoy the season. And if you go to my website at planfulkiki.com, you'll find my blog section, and you'll find my blog on how to enjoy the holidays without gaining weight. In here, I talk all about how you want to focus on progress, not perfection, that chasing perfection will never make you happy. I go over how to make the holidays come alive. And I share with you guys the steps that I took personally to be able to still enjoy the holidays and enjoy all of the food without the fear of gaining weight. In the Christmas section, I share with you guys everything that I love to have on our Christmas enjoyment list. And it has links to all of those free recipes for you guys. I go over how to clean them up and how to plan for intentional enjoyment. Basically, guys, the holidays is all about enjoying your friends and your family and the food, and you don't want to feel restricted, but you definitely want to keep your health goals in mind. And I was able to break that cycle by focusing on the foods that I love and finding ways to make them clean and healthy so that I could still enjoy them and enjoy the holidays fully. So it's all there for you guys for free.